Just wanted to show y'all my new baby, Hollywood Winds. It's the new tenor I just got. I don't know if you can see it. Matches the old alto that I have, Mike Phillips edition. You know what I mean? So you can see the whole setup. It's the tenor setup. You know what I mean? Right here in San Francisco, doing our thing. Yeah, here you see this is what it's gonna look like with no people. Then once the people get here, it's gonna be jam-packed. So I get y'all a sight of what it's gonna look like later on. But just wanted to show you my new tenor, man. I don't know if this is a good way to look at it. Holla at your boy.